Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. It's Skinny J time. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Montech Century 2 1050 watt power supply unit. As you can see on the box, it's highly rated with platinum cybernetics rating, 80 plus gold rating on this other scale of rating, and a 10-year warranty. So before we open it up, we're just going to look at the packaging. We're going to see that it is ATX 3.1 ready and PCI 5.1 ready. So that's going to help us out, not get a bunch of screw-ups going on in our cable management. Looking here, you can see that the English is covered up with a big wrinkly bubble and I can't read it. So let's just go to something I can read, which is German. And our German viewers will be happy to see that it is 80 plus gold certified for maximal energy production. And it is also ATX 3.1 und PCI 5.1 Vag for zogendige compatibilität. So that's good to know. Looking on the other side, still going through the packaging, you can see this code that you can scan with your phone. Oh no, actually that's just the design on the top of the power supply unit. And here you can see the stock market as it stands today. In the United States, it goes up, up, up a little bit, and it goes way down. And then you can see our corporate oligarchs' influence from the beginning of time until now. It's flat for a long time, and then it goes way up right at the end. And that's where we are now. And then you can see on this last chart, it is the rise and fall of the United States Hemegonian Empire. That's good to know. Glad they put all that there. That's very informative. Okay, let's get into the unboxing.